Hello, gang. Spiritual Guidance 888. We back with another video. I hope you all are doing amazing. We're going to jump into some energy, see what's going on, what Spirit may have for you, or anything that'll help you in your situation. Let's get an overall message first. Holy Spirit. No, don't use those. So we're not going to use those. Let's use these. What is the overall message, Holy Spirit? What is the overall message on this morning, this beautiful Sunday morning, Holy Spirit? We have recovery. So it looks like you're nearly finished with your recovery, or you've already completed something. Excuse me. I don't know why I stuck there. Oh my. So like I said, you've nearly finished, or you've already completed your recovery. That's who this message is for. Okay. So with that being said, you're about to receive some keys, some new keys to new doors. Okay. So let's see what's going on. This is my love oracle deck. It's going to give us some messages about love. Okay. Let's see what's going on in your love life, Holy Spirit. Beware of codependency. Okay. Addictive behaviors are affecting your romantic life. Okay. What else? So beware of codependency when you're in a relationship with friends, partners, family. Beware, because you are enough. Okay. There's no need for codependency because you are enough. As the person you are meant to be with will love you the way you are. You don't need to change. Okay. So a lot of you guys are waiting for that one, or some of you have them already in your energy that is going to love you just the way you are. Okay. What else is there? Okay. Divine timing. So be patient. I think I talked about this last week in a video about patience. That was a strong message I received from Source about my gang needing patience. It's like you're rushing after a period of recovery, okay? Or healing. That's recovery, right? When you're going through a healing state, you have to recover after that healing because you still have some fog. You still have that debris that's, that's lingering. So Spirit is asking for your patience while things are unfolding. Okay. There is a connection for a lot of you that is coming to play. Like I said in a previous reading, that you have someone in your energy. Spirit is just clearing the fog, the debris that's still lingering before you can actually come into this divine connection. So patience. It's going to be worth the wait. That's what I just heard. Soulmate. What did I say? Yes. So the person that's in your energy or that you have come in contact with is definitely your soulmate. You know which one is for you, whether they're there already or they're about to come. Okay? So that person will be your soulmate. It will be a connection that's sacred because it's your actual person, right? So Spirit is saying, remember that you are enough. Don't give off the codependency aspect of your recovery, of your healing. Don't revert back to that, okay? Because it will affect things for you. Also, release the past. I just heard. Do not hold on to the past traumas, the past, because obviously you went through a healing spurt. You feel like you're ready, right? Don't bring that debris, into your new connection, because that will only cause hindrance. It will only cause setbacks. It will also seem as you're codependent. Okay? Excuse me. What else here? I'll get one more from this deck. Balance. Okay. So I'm loving it. It's not too bad here. Okay. Spirit is just letting you know of things to look out for, to remember things that you overcame in your healing process, right? And letting you know what's to come now that you've done the work. So balance. All right. Now, I don't know if some of you still need to balance out your emotions. All right. But there has to be healthy balance, okay, for you to have a physical, emotional, and spiritual intimacy with a relationship, okay, or to be able to sustain that relationship. Has to be balanced, okay. All right. Let's see what else is going on here for beware of codependency. Tell me more. Holy Spirit, tell me more. Beware of codependency. Goodness. Okay. Eat your heart out. All right. So, right there is telling me that this is going to be something worth your time for sure. Like I just said, eat your heart out is exactly what you've been desiring. Okay. So, what else is here? So, you don't have to be codependent. And if you find yourself, recruiting to that, because I'm getting the energy of a lot of you like for you and your partner constantly be together. That's a sign of codependency. Okay, y'all need time apart so that y'all can miss each other. Give yourself a chance to miss each other, right? And they go hang with their friends, you go hang out with your friends, and then y'all come back together later that day or night, and y'all be one. Y'all gonna It's gonna be beautiful because you're gonna be missing each other throughout the day, and you gotta have that trust there to know, hey, my partner is just hanging with the fellas, hanging with the girls, right? And they're missing you too. Not constantly calling, that's that energy of reverting back to your past. Okay, having that trust, allowing them to be them outside of you, so that that thing y'all have together can stay mended. Tell me about you are enough. Narrowing down options. Okay. So it looks like your person is releasing some folk, okay? Does have to release some energies out of their life, and you as well. You've done so, I just heard. So that's a good sign right there, right? Y'all preparing each other. For those of you who haven't found your one yet, y'all are in preparation. Okay? Divine timing. Finding the missing piece. Finding the missing piece, that's just letting me know that, you know, both of y'all have healed and y'all ready for an adamant connection, right? Because you are their missing piece and they are your missing piece. So y'all definitely ready for each other, is what I'm getting. Find the missing piece. Y'all definitely ready for each other. Okay, so it's just like I said, that air, that fog, that debris that's got to clear out from old relationships. It's it may seem time consuming to have to go through that, but it's worth going through that because you're going to be absolutely ready this time, is what I'm hearing. Okay, soulmate. So don't rush it. Be patient. Know that it's coming. Okay, bound to feelings with soulmate. Look at that. It's definitely love here, babies. Definitely love here, gang. Okay? Your soulmate is going to love you unconditionally. It's going to be a connection of no other. Okay? Hmm. Some of you could be getting messages through songs, like certain songs that come on. You may be hearing it and feeling like, like you already in that connection with your person, is what I'm getting. And that's a beautiful thing because it's helping you to clear the air, showing the universe exactly what you want, exactly how you want it. And the fact that you're not holding on to no lingering energies. So that's helping push that old energy right on out. This is beautiful. Balance. It is love. Okay. Oh, is it love or a lesson? So that's that where that balanced energy come from. I said so that your balance, having a healthy balance of your physical, emotional, and spiritual intimacy, right? So that would allow you to see whether it's love or a lesson when this person comes in. You won't have no doubts. You will know right off the jump what this is. Okay, so spirit is basically not wanting you to mess up what he has in in plan. Confirmation. He don't want you to mess this up. A lot of you are a little frightened, not frightened, wary as to even if you want to try this again, right? With love, because it's been so many f ups. All right, but Spirit is saying, hold it together. Don't give up, because He got something beautiful, something powerful. I just heard coming your way. Mm, exciting. That's exciting. Let's get into the traditional tarot. I got two decks here that I put together, and we're going to see what else is going on. Okay. Balance again. Energy is definitely talking about your balance game. Okay. You have to have balance over your head and heart to make the best decisions. Exactly what I was just talking about. Right? Um, it's all coming from your choices, right? A lot of difficult choices some of you had to make from encountering so much backlash, so much hurt, trauma. Okay, is what I just heard. So, Spirit just want to make sure that your recovery has been a success completely, a complete success. Excuse me. Okay, yeah, because what Spirit is trying to do for you, gang, is it's beyond your beliefs. It's beyond your ability. It's not a, you have to let go and let God. Just put it all in God's hands. All right? Put it all in His hands because you are enough. Spirit knows you're enough. You have to know you're enough. Okay? For the best relationship you've ever encountered after so much pain. I keep hearing pain. Okay? Trauma in relationships. Okay, we got the Page of Swords. All right, so someone's definitely using their intellectual communication. Something about that. Something about someone being curious about you, and it's on divine timing. So that's letting me know again. Your person is here, 13:30 on the clock, 13:31 now. So it's definitely here, my babies. I'm here to let you know the love you've been waiting on. Spirit wants you to be bold. Okay? Be open and explore this new love. All right? Tell me more. Mm. So, you guys dealt with a lot of dishonesty, a lot of manipulation. Okay? Yeah, temperance is on soulmate. So, that again talks about patience and balance, right? So, there's been a lot of healing that you had to go through for sure. Okay, it's been some extreme healing for a lot of you, I just heard. So that's why Spirit is letting you know this card don't belong here. What is it? Ascending. But it don't belong in this deck. So yeah, y'all went through the proper ascension, learned what you needed to learn. That's going back to the overall message with this recovery that you're nearly finished, or like I said, a lot of you are complete. Now, those who are nearly finished, remember you still have that debris process, the clearing out the 1444, clearing out that debris of the past, of the traumas, of the hurt, of the pain, right? And then for those of you who has already completed, that's the process you're in now. So once that period is over, here she come. Yes, and it will be glowing results. You're going to have clarity. You're going to be able to see the whole picture of something because your reflections. You've done your reflections. You was able to go within. You was able to change yourself from the inside out. Oh, this is beautiful. Tell me more. No more inner conflicts, gang. No more inner conflicts. Let it go and let God. It's all about patience from here. Whatever you're waiting on or seeking in the partner is coming in divine timing. That was the star. And it's upright. Okay? So don't don't stop having that hope, that inspiration. All right? Keep your faith with this star energy. All right? What else? Yeah, because your wish fulfillment, your satisfaction with the Nine of Cups is here. Okay? Spirit wants you to know, gang, that you have all it takes to fulfill all your needs and wishes. You have it. I'm not talking to these low vibrational energies who's may monitor my channel. I don't know why I stutter. Maybe someone stutters. Okay? I'm talking to those who are not greedy, who are not materialistic, those who feel unfulfilled being alone. Because you have to be comfortable being alone, being by yourself, not rushing for your partner to get to you because you know that they're coming when you finish your recovery. Tell me more. Okay, so something's going great for some of you. Okay. Someone could be feeling trapped or mentally drained here. Maybe that's the feelings of some of you. Because you're not feeling like things is moving in your pace, I'm hearing. So that's why Spirit has said that. It's all about divine time and have that patience. This energy has been coming up a lot. So a lot of you are definitely rushing the process. You don't want to rush the process. You want it to happen in moderation because you're going to achieve what you want if you're doing the work. It's just time and patience. And nothing's going to happen on your time, is what I'm hearing Spirit say to me. It's not going to happen in your time. Look at that. The Eight of Swords at the bottom of the deck. You're going to stay mentally trapped. Keep wondering where, when, or why. And that's not the plan. The plan is for you to keep at what you're doing, loving on you, 1818, and I just looked up, focusing on you and being okay with sitting alone. Okay? That's going back to you being able to release your person out to the world at times, allowing them to have some them time so you can have some me time because it's needed in every relationship. Okay? Not constantly being up under each other 24/7. It's that balance energy. Y'all have to stay balanced for this to even work, whether it's your person or not. Right? And this is the message. Tell me more. Okay, so find something to do that's going to uplift your spirit, something that's going to keep your energy high leveled and not heavy, is what I'm hearing. Okay, something that's soul felt for you that makes you happy, that helps you keep going. That's what Spirit asking you to do right now. Okay, because it'll help you through this air clearing. That's what I just heard. With our Spirit. The sun. Let's get one more for this. With the sun. Definitely have a, like I was saying with the star, because this is right on top of the star energy, and it's definitely giving me the guided light, like it's guiding you away from them dark thoughts. Okay, you're being guided away from dark thoughts. Okay, so that you can come into the light of um inspiration, into the light of uh some type of blooming success for yourself, some type of blooming, what are you saying, spirit? Yeah, exactly that. I might not have put them in the right words, but basically what I just said, for you to find something that's going to help you stay uplifted in oneself. Okay, I think that's the overall message here. Basically, have patience and continue on your path with something that's going to keep you aligned, that's going to, like, for some of you, you may not be working. Some of you, you may not be doing anything at this time, but Spirit has you sitting down. Find something to do to keep your mind focused on this recovery that you're going through in your life. Spirit said it's going to be difficult times, understandable. But as long as you release that, don't sit in that energy. Release it to Spirit and allow Him to keep working on it. Okay? Okay. What else? Something about what is expiring. Something that will inspire you to stay in a flow. Okay. Okay. What else, Spirit? Okay, so something is coming together, especially with the Three of Cups at the bottom of the deck. All right, so Spirit is fixing everything. He's fitting everything in the right places so that you can bump into your person. So it looks like some of you may be moving, and that's where your person is. That's Spirit making this move for you. Others of you, this person is already in your town, city, state, and y'all gonna be. It's gonna be lined up for you two to meet. Okay. What else? Look like there's some type of reward here as well. Abundance. Okay. Let's see what this is for you, gang. Talk about your monies. Let's see. Holy Spirit, what is this reward of abundance that's about to flow in for the gang? Let's talk about this a little bit more, please, and thank you. I saw the Ace of Swords, so it's definitely truth here about this. Let's see, Holy Spirit, what do you tell us? I just heard none of your business. I just heard it's none of your business, but we gonna see what he give us. They funny. None of your business. All right, what is this reward for the gang? Okay, what's about the flow and abundance for the gang? Holy Spirit, what do they need to know about this? Can you tell them anything at all when it comes to their finances? Okay, we have the world. Okay, so because you were able to end a chapter in your life, I heard several for some of you. You have a sense of belonging now, and you fulfilling yourself, making yourself whole, working on that. So Spirit is going to reward you for this, for making the right choices. Tell me more. Okay, so Spirit is saying in a few months, prepare for change because this is going to happen in a few months. Okay, what else about this harvest? Okay, it's for gratitude. You showing gratitude, Spirit about to show gratitude back to you. Tell me more. Seven of coins. Okay, so good things takes time. Okay, so that's why you've already been planting those seeds, and now they're about to harvest with the Seven of Pentacles. I just said that you're about to harvest from your gratitude. Didn't I just say that? You was able to persevere through some type of long-term bull crap that you guys been through. Whatever it was for you, your investments are being rewarded. I also hear when you turn that switch off from rushing things to patience, you're going to also be rewarded for that. So Take that how you will. Tell me more. Something long term, something that's going to make you very happy. We have the Eight of Cups. So something about your emotions. So release that stinking thinking. Okay? Release that stinking thinking. You are moving on. It just takes time. Um, it just takes time. You are moving forward. All right. I think I mentioned this in another video about things may seem like it came to a halt for you, seem like you did all this work and you're not seeing anything. But Spirit wants you to know good things takes time. You're definitely making progress here. And he about to reward you for it. Not that he owes you anything. He just want to, excuse me, just want to show you that you are on the right track, that you are doing the right things here. Okay? Empress energy. Okay, divine feminine. Male or female, divine feminine, divine masculine. Okay. Okay. So that's showing me right there again that you about to be doing things with a mate. You're about to have your person because you definitely stepping into your Empress divine feminine energy. After this process that you've been through. So this is beautiful. Tell me more. It's showing me that you're very fertile at this time, that you're ready to nurture some type of creation. Okay, so bring it forward, bring it out. Don't be hesitant, don't be scared. Okay, Three of Cups here. Three of Cups with the Queen of Wands. Yeah, something definitely about your creativity, your courage to start your creativity. Spirit is talking about that right now. Okay. So some of you could be visionaries and you have a lot of downloads about doing something and you're not taking action. So you need to get on top of that. Take action, whatever this thing is for you. All right. So, okay. So I see, like I said, in a few months. A few is usually 3. Okay. What else? Let's keep going. It looks good. It feels good. I'm loving it for you, gang. Tell me more about this recovery energy. What do the gang need to know? So clearing the air, just like I said, with this patient, this temperance energy right here, is definitely just elaborating on what I was saying. The air is clearing at this time so that your seeds can grow. It's going round and round. Yeah, and then that's when you'll start seeing your dreams coming into fruition. That's exactly what I've been saying. So it looks like this message is going round and round at this point. Yeah, and we're right back to divine timing. So we're gonna leave it here, gang. That's been your message. Let's get a closer. Let's get a closing message. Holy Spirit, let's close out. But again, when it comes to this recovery energy, Holy Spirit, let's get a closing message when it comes to this recovery energy. Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, let's get a closing message overall for this recovery energy. Ooh, that's a lot. We're going to do that again. Okay. Holy Spirit, let's get a closing message for this recovery energy.